School of Business.
Can we make this one faster because our participants
Five.
are on the point
Okay, 10
please.
seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next. School of Business. Except Sasa. Ay, hindi na. Paano ka na? Teachers na. Congratulations na lang mga teachers. Okay, na mga accountant, mga business managers, secretaries, okay, mga financial team, marketing, marketers, mga marketers. Okay? Then comes 10, 9. Okay, everybody, mga teachers, please, palay teachers.
Clear the
Dirat
center.
sa congratulate teachers. Okay. 10. Okay, count it. All faculty join of the School of Business. All faculties sa School of Business, please join. Take your chairs. Mga boys. Sige pa. Tindem. Everybody. Ang sila. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. School of Engineering and Technology. Next. School of Engineering and Technology. And all faculty of the school, please join. Okay, you have all faculty, please sit in front and chairs dito sa faculty. All faculty, dito sa all faculty, sit in front. Prepare School of Theology. School of Theology. Next. Closer. Sit there. Thank you. Okay, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 10, 9, 8,